it's Riley here, and today, oh yes, today, we are going to play with this thing. You know what this thing is, right? But it doesn't work. See, look. So, next time you check the comments below and tell me how this thing works to make the loud noise, because I don't know how. It opens and you could get to take out the bullets. See, but it's just not working. I tried everything. Well, tell me in the comments below, how do you work this thing and shooting and all of that? And, well, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Wait. Bye-bye.